Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a review of the ARTTI T10 Pro IEMs. These indie monitors pack some impressive features, including a 14.2mm planar driver, detachable 2-pin cables and an interchangeable plug system for 3.5 and 4.4mm jacks. But how do they sound and are they worth your money? Let's find out! First up, let's talk design. The ARTTI T10 Pro has a sleek and modern look with its premium silver and black metal finishes. It's clear ARTTI paid attention to aesthetics here. The lightweight ergonomic build ensures comfort even during extended listening sessions. You also get a sturdy silver-plated 4-core cable with 216 strands of high-purity copper for enhanced signal transmission. And the swappable 3.5 and 4mm plugs, a thoughtful touch for versatility across devices. Now let's get to the most important part, sound quality. The T10 Pro offers a balanced sound signature with a good extension on both ends. I tried it out with two very different tracks to really put these IEMs to the test. First, Hotel California by Eagles. The mid stood out with an open, spacious feel, making the acoustic guitar and vocals shine. The soundstage was wide and airy, but cymbal crashes had a slight unnatural edge. Still, nothing harsh or fatiguing. Next up, Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. The T10 Pro's bass tuning came alive here. It's punchy, fast and deep, making the electronic beats feel immersive. While the overall smooth sound signature makes these great for casual listening, they lack the hyper detail that some audiophiles might want for critical listening sessions. Of course, no product is perfect, so let's break down some of the pros and cons. Let's start with the cons. The T10 Pro is tuned for smoothness over detail, making it less ideal for critical listening. Cymbal crashes and some treble heavy elements can sound slightly unnatural due to the boosted air above 10K. The planar driver does not deliver the hyper precision some might expect from planar IEMs. On the positive side, the bass is impactful yet controlled, hitting fast with a nice punch. Spacious soundstage and open mids deliver an immersive experience. Premium design and comfortable fit make it ideal for long listening sessions. The swappable plug system is a game changer for versatility and the cable quality is top-notch. At this price point, it offers a good balance of build, style and performance. So, what's the verdict on the ARTTI T10 Pro? These IEMs are a great pick if you're looking for a smooth, enjoyable listening experience, without the harshness often found in more analytical headphones. They're perfect for casual listeners who appreciate punchy bass, spacious mids and a versatile design. However, if you're after ultra detailed sound for critical listening, these might not be for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments what you think of the ARTTI T10 Pro, or if you have other IEMs you would like me to review. Until next time, happy listening.